Starrison said the Harambee Prosperity Plan is great but a tough undertaking to implement. Namibia has the ability for future prosperity, he said. However, the Prosperity Plan's values must be fostered into the DNA of the nation in the process of implementation and driving the good governance approach.
The implementation, I've learned, most of the future and what happens today happens in the in-between spaces. And the interface management and interface leadership, I would say, probably is the key.
He also emphasized the importance of intellectual capital in driving innovation. He suggested that the government introduce what he called a committee of the future to, on a regular basis, interrogate government programs. Starrison said new types of entrepreneurs are needed in all sectors, such as political and business spheres, to find the best talent for the future.
The heroes of the future, some of them are already here. Some are not. Could we select and figure out politically, professionally, who these guys, men and women, are, who be the role models of the future heroes in entrepreneurship in different sectors?
President Hage Geingob was happy with what Starrison had to say about Namibia, saying the country, and in particular Africa, are ready to move.
So we want to see where we can fit in, and these kind of talks are very useful. Useful because we want Africa to leapfrog.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think Africa is awakening.
Starrison will continue engaging other government officials, including the Ministry of Public Enterprises, on the role state-owned entities can play in the development of the country.